Hi, this is Stuart from Matt's Playground, and I am reviewing today Monster Mingle, a new iPad app, an iPhone app from Cowley Owl, a developer in the UK, which gets your kids to create their own monsters, but in a fun way of stomping around a landscape rather than just putting the bits together. So it follows a previous app called Dinosaur Mix, which had a similar idea. You had a dinosaur who wandered along, picked up bubbles, and changed bits. So here you start with a monster, and your child will tap on the screen to make it go right and left. And it starts out quite boring, really, kind of a couple of eyes. It's a different monster each time. As you go along, you can see bubbles on the ground, and when you tap on those, you can drag them to the monster and give him new bits. So arms, the mouth. At the moment he's bouncing, so I'm going to kind of look some legs for him. There you go. So now he walks along. So every time you find a different bit, it's either cosmetic like the mouth, where you just see it there, or it's like the legs, where it changes the way he can move and look around. So here we go, here's some new eyes. Here's some new fins. Now, he starts off on the ground, but he can go into the sea. And down here, you'll find fish, but also fins, which helps him swim. Turns him into a bit of a fish. And food. So when you find some things, you can put them into his mouth and make them eat them. It's a very colourful world, as you can see. It reminds me of, there's a developer called Sago who makes apps where you kind of explore and make things happen. It's a bit like that in terms of its look. There we go. You can swim under the ocean, and then you can find, I believe, more fins there. Seahorses. So basically, there's no goal to it. There's no kind of thing your child has to do. There's no scoring system. They can just kind of explore and find the bits and pieces to get out. And here is the way to get back out. So they can just have a look and see what they find. Different monster bodies. There's about 40 pieces, I think, to collect. So they can experiment and kind of build their favourite monster. In a forthcoming update, there'll be a photo feature. They can take a picture of their monster and show how he is. I think it's really good. It's a lovely app. It's very relaxing, very chilled. Your kids will want to show you the monsters they've made. It's well worth a look, and it's available in the App Store now for your iOS device. And it's a very good app.